class we are going to learn about the annual distribution of rainfall in Asia, and also one more important factor related to the how the climatic conditions prevail in Asia during summer and as well as winter. So before coming to these topics, just we will have a little glance what we have studied in the previous class. So in the previous class we have studied about what are the factors which are responsible in affecting the climate of Asia. So the latitude, distance from the sea, mountain ranges, the ocean currents and the direction of mountain ranges. So these are all some important factors which is very much responsible in affecting the climate of Asia. And also we have studied the three important parallels which will pass through the Asia is the equator, the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. Clear, children? So now let us have the glance on the how the climatic conditions prevail during winter and as well as summer in Asia. As we know, the summer will experience the three important months, March, April and May. So the entire Northwest Asia and as well as the North Australia will get the intense heat. Okay, so this intense heat helps to develop the low pressure on the mainland of Asia. Clear, children? So this intense heat helps the low pressure in the mainland of Asia. So when they started blowing the southwest monsoon winds, wherever the low pressure areas are there, these low pressure areas attracted by the southwest monsoon winds and cause the heavy rainfall in the Southwest Asia and North Australia. Clear, children? So this is, we know that monsoon means the word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word which means the season. So these southwest monsoons winds will breeze from the southwest to the northeast for a particular period of time. As the season changes, the reversal in the monsoon winds will take place. Clear, children? So the entire mainland will experience the rainfall. So during summer, the rays of the sun will fall on the Tropic of Cancer and the mainland gets heated and the surrounding areas will experience the high pressure. So this is the summer season, the conditions prevail during summer in Asia. So whereas in the case of winter season, so the rays of the sun will fall on the Tropic of Capricorn, and when that is the Tropic of Capricorn, and during the winter season, and the winter season will experience November, December and the month of January. Clear, children? So here the reverse in the changing in the direction of winds. So now the winds will start breezing from northeast to the southwest. Clear? And also as we know, during this season, the mainland gets cool. And because of this cool, and that means the temperature will fall, the temperature will be low because the mainland gets the rains, and because of this rains, the mainland gets cool. Okay, naturally when it is cool means the high pressure will develop on the mainland of Asia and the surrounding areas will experience the high pressure. Okay, so the high pressure will experience. So the northeast monsoon winds will pick the moisture from the Arabian Sea branch and cause the rainfall in the surrounding areas. Clear, children? So like that, the seasonal reversal in the changing of direction of winds and also changing in the change of seasons will cause the variation in the temperature and as well as the rainfall that we can see in Northwest Asia and also the northern parts of Australia. Okay, that means this will experience when we come to the world wind systems. So when we come, because we are studying Asia, so entire the Northwest Asia will experience, that means variations that we can see in the temperature and as well as the rainfall. Okay, so clear, children? And these northeast winds will give the rain only for the some parts of Asia. Especially when we take our country, the Tamil Nadu and parts of Andhra Pradesh will experience the rain. Clear children? And because of the southwest monsoons, the entire country, that means related to India, I am saying, the most part of the Asia also will experience the rainfall because of the southwest monsoons. And also this northeast winds is responsible the rain during the winter season, the parts of Tamil Nadu and parts of Andhra Pradesh, and also cause the it is responsible and cause the western disturbances. That means during the winter season, the west will be disturbed because of the rains. The moisture that peak from the Mediterranean Sea and cause the rainfall from the parts of Andhra Pradesh, parts of Punjab, Haryana and some parts of Uttar Pradesh. So that's why because of these rains, west will be disturbed. So we have named after that the western disturbances. Clear children? And we have named after northeast winds and the southwest monsoon winds because these winds will blow towards to that direction. So in which particular direction the winds are moving, so we have named after that winds. Southwest winds will breeze from southwest to the northeast, and northeast trade winds because the winds will starts from the northeast to the southwest, and these two winds are also comes under the monsoon winds. Clear children? So, and the climatic conditions, how it will prevail also, as just now we discussed. So, coming to the next one more topic, that how the annual distribution of rainfall. So, the annual distribution of rainfall also the varies from place to place and region to the region. So, it has been classified based on the heavy rainfall regions, moderate rainfall and the least rainfall. As we are all aware that the highest rainfall will experienced in most, that means highest rainfall means the average rainfall will be more than 200 centimeters. So many places which are there in Asia, like Sierra is there, and most parts of the equatorial regions will experience, and the southern Himalayas and the coastal regions. These are the places which will be experienced. The annual rainfall will be more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. And the moderate rainfall, that means the moderate rainfall in between 150 to 200 centimeters of rainfall. So in Asia, this moderate rainfall will experience in Northeast India, Southeast Asia and the Central Asia, Southern China. So in these places, the moderate rainfall will be experienced. And the least rainfall. So the least rainfall means that the rainfall will be less than 25 centimeters. So most probably in the desert areas will experience, like in the Southwest Asia, Central Asia, Siberia and Siberian plateaus. There we can see and we can observe the rainfall will be less than 25 centimeters of rainfall. And Asia is also, we studied in the previous class, it is called as the climate, contrast in the climate. That is extreme, we can say. Take for example, like Marsiaram will experience, or we can say the highest rainfall in the world will experience more than 1000 centimeters of rainfall. And also we can see, okay, the less than 25 centimeters of rainfall, like when the Siberian plateaus are there and the Thar desert. Okay, so these examples we can see, that means the highest and the lowest, that means the extreme temperatures are also experienced in the Asia. So this is about the annual distribution and how the climatic contrast. This is the one good example that we can see. We can give one more example also related to the climatic conditions, that Varkoshan and Yangshan, and one more is about that is Siberia, the least temperature and also the highest temperature in Jacobad in Pakistan. Okay, this example also we can refer related to the extreme temperatures. Okay, but not related to the annual rainfall. Annual rainfall, Marsiaram and also the Thar desert, that we can give the good examples for the annual distribution of rainfall. And how the climatic conditions prevail during summer and winter. Okay, the rays of the sun will fall, Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn during the winter and the summer. And also we can see the onshore winds and the offshore winds. Okay, so like that various differences that we can make out. Please go through the textbook, read the textbook and prepare well for the unit test. Have a good day, children.